Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making ghee at home. Traditional method for making ghee. Collect thick cream from milk. Cream collect for 15 days. Curd half teaspoon. Cover rest for 3 hours. Transfer cream to a mixie grinder. Water half cup. Blend nicely. Butter thick and rich. Transfer to a bowl. Add cold water. Collect butter. Butter is ready. Squeeze the extra water. Collect butter in a bowl. Press and squeeze extra water. Buttermilk ready. Butter. Transfer to a thick pan. Stir continuously on high heat. On medium flame, stir continuously. Turns aromatic ghee ready. Filter and transfer to a glass bowl. You can store this ghee up to 3 to 6 months. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Now it's ready to use. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.